Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I need a better intro. I'm so sorry. I'm sick of saying that. Let's try this again. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, bitch. Hi guys. Welcome back. You know what? I'll just keep the regular intro. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl. Thanks for sticking around. So today I'm doing a full glam makeup look. I'm about to turn myself from a 5 to a 20. You feel me? Let me not play myself. I'm definitely an 8. Definitely an 8. I'm gonna do this full glam makeup with like a green smoky eye and nude lips. You know, something cute. I feel like this is the perfect makeup for like fall, winter. Anyway, so before we get started, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it to all your friends. That way I can continue to give you more content. That's word. Okay. I already did my eyebrows to save some time on this video. So we're going to go ahead and start with primer. I'm using this Milani Bright Side Illuminating Primer. I really like this. It gives your skin foundation a bit of a highlight, but not really. So just go ahead and add this here. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyes today. I'm using my NARS Creamy Concealer. This is in the shade Medium to Ginger, just because I feel like there's gonna be a lot of fallout with this eyeshadow look. So let me just go ahead and get this started so that way it don't mess up my foundation. Okay, so this will act as our base. Gonna go ahead and pat this on my brows. Marvelous. To start with my base, I'm using the Saharan palette by Juvia's. Shout out to them for stealing my money. And I'm gonna use this black shadow. Over here, we're gonna go ahead and pat that on my eyelid to smoke it out. So I'm mostly gonna put this on my eyelid. And we're just gonna pat. We're just gonna pat, 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 and not swipe. And you want to take your time with this, because if you rush, it's not gonna come out as nice. You mess up, don't worry about it, you know. There's always a way to fix everything. Alright, so what I'm gonna use next is my blending brush, a fluffy one to be exact. I'm gonna use my Morphe and Manny MUA palette. And I'm gonna use I'm gonna use this color for my crease color to go ahead and help, you know, blend this out a little bit. I'm not gonna use too much though, so. Alright guys, so that's pretty much the look. Thank you guys for watching. No, I'm kidding. No, it looks scary right now, but you have to trust the process. Okay? Alright, now that we're done with the black shadow, we're gonna go ahead and add our glitter color. I'm going back to my Juvia's Palace. Is it Julia's Palace, please? I don't care, I don't shop there anymore. I'm gonna use this color. It's called Kia. I'm gonna go ahead and add that to my lid on top of the black shadow. So what I'm doing is I'm putting it on the first 2/3 of my eye. And then I'm just flicking out to the end, that way it is that gradient green color. That makes sense. Does that make sense? I hope it does. I'm using this flat eyeshadow brush, I should have mentioned that. Yeah, I got this from Morphe. Morphe has some really inexpensive brushes. So if you're a beginner, I would definitely shop there for makeup. Them and e.l.f. Okay, so we're 80% done. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna start my face, but before that, I'm just gonna clean up the excess eyeshadow. Just cause this black eyeshadow is forever messy. Just gonna clean out the corners really quickly. Okay, so for foundation, I am using the Fenty Beauty foundation. This is in the color 440. I got this brush from AOA Studio, which is an online makeup store. I got this brush for $1, and look how freaking good quality this brush is. It doesn't shed, it's not stiff or anything like that, so definitely recommend them. Ring my bell, ring my bell. I don't know if anyone else does this, but whenever I'm like bored or stressed, I start singing. It's really weird, and it's not like I'm like this great vocalist. I just be singing off key, and then whenever I was at work, my coworkers usually they laugh at me or they get mad, but I gotta get my stress out, bro. What do you guys do to get your stress out? Let me know in the comments. Now I'm gonna go ahead and contour with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. This is in Deep Walnut, and I'm using this brush, this doohickey I got a long time ago from e.l.f. I don't know the name of it, but I'm sure they still have it on their website. Just gonna contour a little bit, ladies and gents. It's 2021. We don't judge. We don't discriminate. Okay, to highlight, I'm actually gonna mix two concealers. I'm gonna mix my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and my LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Fawn. I'm gonna go for that really, not bright, but bright under eye concealer. Then I'm gonna blend out everything with my beauty blender. Okay, so I'm gonna set my under eye with this classic Ben Nye banana powder. I am clearly running out. Look how much is a. But child, we're gonna squeeze, cause payday is next week. I'm also gonna go ahead and bronze with my legendary Morphe bronzing bronzer. It's a bronzy bronzer. This is in the shade Supreme. Love this. All my melanated sisters, please get this. I remember way back when like the makeup industry didn't even acknowledge girls of like my complexion or darker, and they were like, yeah girl, you should bronze. I'm like, all these bronzer shades, they're like my exact skin color. So I'm so glad I finally found one that works for me, and it's just so great. I just feel like a tan princess. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my eyes. I'm using my black eyeliner to go ahead and line my eyes. I'm just gonna put it on my waterline. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. This is so hard with one hand. Well, I'm gonna do it. Just gonna smoke it out a little bit with my pointer brush. And now for this eye look to really pop, I'm just going to use the champagne color over here and put in my inner tear ducts. Go ahead and add my mascara on now. I'm using the L'Oreal Air Volume mascara. Put on our eyelashes. Look at this. Of course I did that. Ugh. This always happens every time I'm close to finishing my makeup. I do some stupid stuff like that. You can keep your eye look like this if you want, but I'm trying to wow these bitches, you feel me? So I'm gonna go ahead and add lashes. Like a lash tutorial, let me know. I'm not even on front. Lashes be annoying sometimes. But like the key is patience. Okay, we're almost done here, so I'm just gonna do a simple nude lip because I'm a little tired. I'm like on front. So I'm lining my lips with this Morphe lip pencil and Vibes. Because you know that's all I'm about. Alright, and then I'm just going to top it off with this clear gloss. This is the Beauty Supply Store clear gloss. What is it? Broadway Ultra Lip Mango Butter. Oh. Oh. To finish off the look, I'm gonna spray my Charlotte Tilbury airbrush flawless setting spray. Alright, so this is the final makeup look. I put some curls in my natural hair. I'm trying to see if I could give like a Diana Ross 70s vibe. Don't know if it worked, but yeah. So let me know if you guys like it. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel. I'm gonna see y'all next week. Stay beautiful and bye.